So now this is another video. Now we're at Wickerson Park. So again, linking to our Youth Ranger project. It's going to start around Tamworth in the next coming months. And so this is a fantastic example of a parkland. So great habitat. You can see we've got tall standard trees and you've got the flat grassland areas here. The site's also got an orchard and a wetland site as well. So we're going to take a look around and see some of the practical tasks we might be up to in the future. And this is going to be a nice site to do some work on. Let's go and have a look. So here we are in Hazel opposite Wickerson Park. As you can see, the coppices themselves are a bit overgrown, so this is a great activity for the youth rangers to get involved with during the winter months. So what we'll be doing here is taking out one or two of these low to the ground, and so they can regenerate to make some nice thumbsticks that we can actually go away and do some whittling with, like we mentioned at Hodge Lane. So the material here, we're going to be stacking up habitat piles that again will be able to rot down, maybe do some dead hedging, and it can rot down from vertebrates and fungal. So here we've got a gall. So as part of the Youth Ranger project, we're going to be learning about different ID techniques and look at different invertebrates. So this is quite an interesting one here at Wickerson Park. So we've got these galls here that you can see. Now these are created by a small gall wasp that actually injects into the actual stem of the small oak tree, and then that kind of reacts and actually grows around its egg that is in here, that's been laid by the insect. And over time these will get bigger and bigger, and eventually when the bug grub inside is ready to come out, it will tunnel its way out and you'll have a tiny hole, perfectly circular hole that'll be in there as well. They're actually taking these away and grinding them down and studying them as a possible cure for cancers as well. So within the Youth Ranger project, going out doing lots of practical tasks, but learning a bit more about wildlife and what's in your area. With the Youth Rangers, we'll be going out, like I say, identifying different trees and plants. So here, very typically, we've got a silver birch. We can see the white bark, and also this tree is fantastic for bushcraft skills, which we'll be doing during our Youth Ranger adventures out and about. It's brilliant because first off, we've got a brilliant bark that can be peeled out off, that is like paper thin, which is brilliant for starting to light your fires. And also, the tree itself, it provides brilliant kindling for lighting starting the base of your fires as well. So if we look up into the canopy, we can see, oh here we go, for example, we've got a brilliant piece of dried out kindling. This has actually been suspended in the tree as it's fallen off from the top, so it's been off the ground, and as a result it's dried out. So this is great kindling that will snap and break, and we can put that on the base of our fire. So all these kind of skills we'll be out and about learning during the Youth Ranger project. Here in the wetland area of Wickerson Park, the Youth Rangers are going to be coming here doing some planting, basically to enhance this kind of wet, boggy area. So we'll be planting stuff like purple loosestrife, lady smock, cuckoo flower. It could be a fun and muddy project for the Youth Rangers. As you can see, Wickerson Park is such a great big vast site. So as part of the Youth Ranger place, we'll be out and about doing activities like some wild play. We'll get the Viking chess out, we'll do lots of different activities, and we're doing some bushcraft. And it'll just be great being outdoors on a day like today. Great for our mental well-being, getting to meet new people, and helping to preserve our local wild spaces. So here we are at Kettlebrook Nature Reserve. This is one of the sites that we're working on as well. So again, like the other sites we've been to, they're managed by a local group of volunteers that meet regularly to carry out practical tasks, do a great job like litter picking, etc. And as part of our Tamworth Youth Ranger project, we'll be out and about helping these groups as well. So the great thing about the Tamworth project and the Youth Rangers is we've got so many sites to work on. So we'll do so many different practical tasks, from creating hay meadows to coppicing to tree felling to installing footpaths. So a wide range of skills that will be utilised. Loads of different tools we're going to talk about in a bit as well. So great variety. It'll change every month when we go out and about. So the idea, like I say, of the videos is to meet you guys beforehand before we can get out after these restrictions are reduced, so we can get out and about, have a chat. And if people are also interested, we can carry on with the evening events online and talk about questions to experts, etc. Do quizzes, and we'll see what you guys want to get up to. As part of our practical events with the Youth Rangers, we're going to use a variety of tools and kit. So I've just arrayed some of it out here. So we've got the first aid kit, which always goes out. We've also got the welfare kit, which has got suntan lotion on and things like that. We've got a pair of gloves. We've got a storm kettle. I brought this out as well because this is a great bit of kit for doing bushcraft skills. So we'll teach you how to light a kettle and you can have a brew on those. We've got the pitchfork here. This is for hay meadow work really. We've got the lopper and the saw, basically for coppicing works and tree felling, and also we've got a spade for digging, for footpaths and stuff like that. So each time we go out, we'll have a tools talk about what the kit is, and eventually you guys can actually peer teach us with the tools talks of safety and stuff like that. So first off, we have a look at the bow saw. So we've got a nice 24-inch bow saw here. It's got a raker blade on it, as you can see, because it's got double teeth. This helps pulling out the sap when we're cutting down trees. We've got a sturdy handle, and you can see it's bow shaped. So these are ideal for cutting down trees. We only use these on materials, say, as bigger than a 10p, etc. So it's got to be a good stick as such. And we also have a loppers. This is, well, once our tree is down or our coppice area is cut down, these are really great, really nifty at cutting off the smaller twigs and stuff like that for snedding. Okay. So just for example, to lay out some of the kit, we'll provide you with gloves when you come out on the work parties. And obviously I'm trained as a first aider, and all this kit will be out and about. So hopefully we'll get to go to many different sites and use lots of different kit on the Youth Ranger project.
So if you'd like to find out more about the Youth Ranger project within Tamworth, or you'd like to join the Youth Forum, please give me a shout. Shaun Rimmer at Staffordshire Wildlife Trust, and my email is s.rimmer@staffs-wildlife.org.uk.